your tail, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, a tip of the size. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face, and my picture perfect, do I look fried? All of that green and
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
to the side. I replay them nights, and right by my side, all I see is the sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. The things are created became the most weighted. I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah, that shit wild. Instead I'm a hero, I took it from zero to flame. You saying I read it for miles, the shit wasn't luck. They got me fucked up, I put you on bus and take you around. Put a couple of guys inside of the school, I gave them the tools to get it off the ground. They say they're the ones when they make the airs, can't look in the mirror. That shit wild. I stand on the stage, I give them the rage, I'm turning it down. Can't take it, can't fight, we do in the streets, we do it.
Hi sir, please share your experience.
Hi Cascade, thank you so much for this lovely experience. This is my 4th car from the Cascade, but this time they forced me to come in front of camera, but I refused again. And I said कि तुम किसी से भी करा लो, चाहे खुद से करा लो, मैं नहीं होगा. तो उन्होंने कहा ओके सर, हम ना एक काम करते हैं, घोष डिलीवरी कराते हैं. तो दिस इज़ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग दिस यार, बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है. पीछे खड़े होके सब एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. गॉड ब्लेस यू Cascade. थैंक यू अगेन सो मच.